The 17th edition of Bombay Money, an expo of exquisite dolls from across India, organized by Ramson's Kala Pratishtana, Mysore, will be held throughout the year at Bombay Money. It is located above Amrapali Sari Store close to Nazarbad police station. This special collection is a reflection of the city's cultural, social, and religious heritage. Vithala is a Hindu deity predominantly worshipped in the state of Maharashtra and Karnataka. He is generally considered as a manifestation of God Vishnu or his avatar Krishna. Devotees walk from their home to Pandharpur on Ashada Ekadasi and on Kartika Ekadashi. This Varkari tradition is the highlight at this year's special display section. The Varkari movement includes the worship of Vithala and a duty-based approach towards life, emphasizing moral behavior. Goddess Chamundeshwari is a fearsome form of Chandi, the Hindu divine mother Parvati, and is one of the 7 Matrikas. She is the personal deity of the Mysore royal family, protector of Mysore city. Dancing girls depicting Navarasa in front of a doll of Maharaja Jayachamaraja Wadiyar seated on the golden throne. Present Maharaja of Mysore. Jambu Savari is the most important event of Mysore Dasara. Adda Pallaki carries the royal weapons from the palace to the temple of Bhuvaneshwari. Visitors enjoying Dolls Expo. MCC is celebrating its 100th anniversary. This expo has more than 5,000 exquisite dolls. Peg dolls, Shiva and Parvati. Wooden dolls of Radha and Krishna. Wooden dolls of Kodanda Rama. In Bombay Money Expo 2021, you have displays of 75th anniversary of Indian independence. In 1931, Gandhiji attends the Round Table Conference at London. There he meets King George V, Queen Mary, along with Sarojini Naidu and Madan Mohan Malaviya. This is a vintage print. Old DC office, Atara, Kacheri. Presidents of the Indian National Congress from 1885 to 1964. Lalita Mahal Palace. Rabindranath Tagore. Bharat Mata. Saint Philomena's Cathedral. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.